today's video, I will talk about how to create a bank account in Luxembourg for crypto investors. My name is Creimerman. I am the CEO of Creimerman Immigration and Investment, and I will give you the benefits and the requirements to open a bank account for crypto investors in Luxembourg. So, Luxembourg have a robust banking system and also have a regulatory environment that support crypto businesses. So what is the step-by-step to create a bank account in Luxembourg? The first thing that you need to consider is choose the right bank. You need to choose a bank that are crypto friendly, because not all the banks in Luxembourg, the more traditional ones, they are not allowed sometimes crypto investors, crypto businesses, trading, etc. So I will give you in what bank you can open an account for crypto investors. So the banks where you can open a bank account is the International Bank of Luxembourg, the Bank Société Générale, and Banque of Luxembourg. So before open a bank account in this bank, make sure that they will accept the profits that you earn for your crypto investments. Also take into account that you need to exchange your crypto for fiat. Then you will have residencies options. I recommend, if you're going to open a bank account in Luxembourg, get a residency is a good thing, and also going to make the bank account opening faster, and they're going to request less documentation as if you go like a foreigner without a residency and try to get bank account. Luxembourg have several options. There are investor visas. Also you will have self-employment permit where you move your income to Luxembourg. Also the Luxembourgian government going to request a clean criminal record, and also the banks have strong KYC requirements. Something that you need to keep in mind if you choose Luxembourg for your next bank account is that you need to go in person for open this bank account. So you need to travel to Luxembourg to get it done. It's not can do it remotely. If you can do it remotely, there are other options. One of the options that I recommend in case that you don't want to travel to the country and only open a bank account in Latin America, you have two good options. One option is Panama. You can open 100% remotely. BVI, for example. Also you have Uruguay in South America. You can also open a bank account without the need of travel there. Each country and each bank have own requirements, but you need to think if open a bank account in Luxembourg can beneficially, have a robust bank system. Is one of the best places in terms of safety to open a bank account, one of the most robust bank accounts in Europe. But you need to understand also your needs. In that way of thinking, think about your needs and see if Luxembourg is a good option. I will give you some insights about Luxembourg and some statistics. Luxembourg have financial stability, is ranked like top in the financial world, with a GDP growth of 23% the last year. Also, Luxembourg have blockchain adoption and is the host of blockchain and fintech conference annually. Taking into account, this is a very good option to make networking if you are in the crypto world. And the last insight that I have to give you is Luxembourg issued over 50,000 residencies permit the last year, showing this a global appeal for entrepreneurs and investors. So in terms of benefits, you have, as I told you, robust bank system, financial stability, and strategic location in the middle of Europe. So this is the end of the video. If you like to open a bank account in Luxembourg, or if you think that is a good option, bad option, write it in the comment. And also you can schedule a call with me and we can see what is the best option for banking offshore or inshore. See you in the next video.